7% interest rate, how am I ever going to buy a house with that high of a rate? If you're a buyer right now, this is what you might be telling yourself, or you might be thinking. And you're not far off. I mean, it's a higher rate than what we've used to, but we got spoiled. Okay, we are not in the same market that we were before. Those low rates are gone for a while anyway, and we're now adjusting, price-wise to everything else. So the market's coming back to normal. Interest rates are also going back to normal. They're a little higher than they used to be, but we can adjust. We can make it happen. And if you don't like a 7% interest rate, there are options to make it lower or to get it lower. I'm gonna tell you about them. So, first option, you do it yourself. DIY, lower interest rate. You can pay to lower your interest rate. You can buy down your points. What am I talking about? I am talking about the amount of money that you have taken out in a loan, okay? Your financed amount, not your contracted price, not the price that you offered, that the seller accepted, and now, that's what the home is selling for. Different. Take that amount minus your down payment, and you're left with your loan amount. That's the amount. And for this example, we're gonna say that you're buying a $400,000 house and you put down $100,000. You just sold a house and you put down $100,000. So you're financing $300,000. And we're talking about 1 percentage point. So a percent of 300,000 is 3,000. So for that, if you have a 6.7% interest rate, you can buy it down for $3,000 and get it down to 5.7. That's not a whole lot, but there are ways to get it even lower. You can go low, you can go more than that. You can pay $6,000, $9,000 if you want to get 3% down. You're down now to 3.7, which is great. Okay, but you just had to pay a little bit more up front. It's all in how you're using your money. You don't have to put it all down. You don't have to put $100,000 down. You can put less than that, use $9,000, lower your rate. Perfect. Another way, option 2, ask the seller to give you concessions and pay down your rate. Okay, they can do that. There are lenders out there right now. It doesn't have to be your lender. You can use a different lender if needed to make this happen. Okay, if your lender's not willing to do it, I'd say find a different lender. Call me. I got a great lender. So yeah, ask the seller to buy down your rate for you. Easily done. Same principle applies. It's all going towards the loan. Third one, and this is where we get fun, because now we're talking about brand new construction, builder quality, homes that have either just got done being built and they're sitting there in their inventory, or they're going to be built before the end of the year. And you can lock in at a great price with great rates. Here's how. Okay, 2 properties I'm going to tell you about. The first one is Ashton Woods down in Vine Creek. And this is off of Seal Road. Okay, they are offering you $7,500 towards your closing costs. They're giving you $7,500 that you can use towards your closing costs. And then additionally, they are giving you 3% of your loan amount to buy down your rate. Okay. So again, 6.7, now you're down to 3.7. How can you complain about that? Beautiful homes out there. It is a growing area, just off of Seal Road behind Seal Middle School. They only have a few houses left, and that offer only applies to those houses. So if you're interested, you want to go check them out, let me know. The other property that I was going to tell you about is D.R. Horton, and they are offering $12,000 in closing costs. Okay, $12,000. Now you can use all of that towards your closing costs. You can use part of that towards your closing costs and then part of it to buy down your rate. However you want to do it, but that's up to you. That's free money. Additionally, that's not all. Additionally, they're giving you 4.99% that they've already purchased. They have all of this money locked in, these loans locked in at 4.99%, and they're offering that to any of the buyers coming in. Okay, so if you're a new buyer, you want new construction, you want all the warranties, 1 year, 2 year, 10-year warranties that come with them, and you don't have to worry about anything, and you've got a low interest rate and a great house in a great area of Pflugerville that's growing, and the home's going to appreciate. I mean, all these homes are going to appreciate, but that area right now, it's huge. Now's the time to do it. Don't wait. Don't tell yourself the interest rates are too high and you can't do it, because you can. Okay. You want more information on this? You got questions? Feel free to give me a call. I'm here for you. Happy house hunting.